If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to JASMY video update today. And it seems like we're still interested to make this price target, to touch this price target, and that's going to be 9655. Now, if things get really bullish, then you're looking for something super amazing and extraordinary. Okay, understand there's a daily pattern and then there's a weekly pattern. Now, if you look at this daily pattern, we started with this one resistance, went down, second resistance went down, third resistance here went down, broke to the upside, and its technical target takes you all the way up to 9,722. Now, we're nearly that price target. We went near it. We went to 8,300. That was the first target that I gave you down here, and that got met. And now you're nearly this target right here. I don't know if it's going to be met or they're going to push it all the way to the downside, but it's actually on a technical journey to go there, and you don't want to lose 6,457. It's okay to, you know, maybe make a move back down to 6,917 and then continue there. That's still okay. That could be okay. Fine. Not a big deal. Now, there's one more thing I want to talk about. If you look at maybe the weekly time frame here, I'm just going to tell you one thing right there. Then coming up to break this, you know, bearish rectangle, the technical target of this bearish rectangle was never met, something like that. That was never met. And you can see that if I take the top here to the bottom right there, a lot of targets were met in the bear market, but, you know, Luna Classic went short a little bit, went to 2,400. We were very close to 2,094. Okay. All this, I still managed to like save all this 68% up, but there was a little bit of that room left, and this is where I was looking to actually buy long term, which I never got the opportunity. So I still ended up buying other different coins that I was looking at. You know, for example, we had some Casper, Cardano, things like those. Those were actually down to their targets, and I could actually get them. So I'm still fine. The thing is, there's this one little bit of an area and a zone that I'm looking at, and that's going to be a resistance here, resistance right there. And if you try to break above this, then you're looking for a very big rally to the upside. That could be, you know, like the start. Things could be heated up. Okay, I'm not trying to hype anything or try to make FOMO or fear of missing out or try to be bullish, extra bullish, but I'm just telling you it is what it is. Just I've been telling you that, hey, you know, previously we were bad, but now you're breaking resistance. This is break or resistance holding at support. You're going to move up. You don't have any other option than to flip. I was actually looking for technical targets to the downside, but when the market flips, you just flip. You don't fight with the market or anything. So if you do come up here and break this level, then you're looking for a big move to 3,000, you know, this level here, 33,000 nearly, and you're trading right now at 7,783. And if you do come up here, then you're looking for that another 50% move to the upside, and that's possible for JASMY. I think if things get bullish and you look for Bitcoin to move to 32,000 and price levels like that, you can even get this coin to move up 260% to the upside. So it is what it is right now. I'm just going to leave you with this one. Let's see what happens, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, Hafiz.